Hey everyone, Humphrey with Router Guides, and I just got my Thai Elite welcome package. Once again, I've got the 5-year Thai Elite, the one that I got for 600,000 baht. I'm going to show you what's inside the kit. This was approximately 2 months late, and the reason for that is usually when you're accepted for the Thai Elite and you pick it up, you get the welcome package pretty quick. But right now they're extremely backed up on both the cards, the membership cards, which comes in the welcome package. Well, hopefully it should be in here, and also the welcome packages themselves. So what I had to do is I had to pick it up at the Saturn office. So this is near the St. Louis BTS station. It's in between St. Louis and the Mahanakorn building, which is the big Tetris building. And it was like a 3-minute walk, wasn't too far away from the BTS station. You get an email and basically says, tell us when you want, it's ready to be picked up, tell us around what time you'll pick it up. And you walk in the office, and I will have to tell you, the main office is extremely busy. There's so many people in there picking up their cards, buying cards. Let's take a look at the box. Pretty cool box. It did come in a nice bag, which I promptly threw away because I don't want to carry any more stuff than necessary. So here's the box, and okay, is this Farang proof? Oh, okay. Okay, so it opens like that. Of course, your requirements for the Thai Elite visa, the no overstay warning, the 90-day reporting. Once again, I told you in a previous video, even though this is probably the easiest visa you can get, you just plunk down money and you get it, they constantly remind you every chance they get to not overstay, to do your 90-day reporting and all this stuff. So I've seen this a million times. It's just the basic pamphlet that you get. Okay, well, it looks like it's basically that. Nice wrapping paper, and what is this, a purse, a merce, padfolio, day runner, I don't know. So Thai Elite, let's see if it focuses there. Thai privilege. It's actually not bad. Okay, so it looks like it got some luggage tags, 2 luggage tags, a pin, and a USB stick, which, yeah, if I'm going to pop a strange USB stick in my computer, that's not going to happen. Okay, well, wasn't that much. I mean, I'll probably use this, I'm not sure, but this was the main thing that I wanted, is my membership card. I know that's a weird thing, but I'm covering up by my membership stuff. So the membership card is the extremely important part of this kit, and the reason for that is you'll need it to go to the bank. So whether you go to Bangkok Bank or whether you go to Capricorn Bank, which is the one I'm probably going to use, the green bank, and open up an account, because the welcome letter will not work. You've got to show them your actual card, and of course bring your passport. I'm going to make another video about that in the future. So really quick, that was an unboxing of the welcome kit. You get the merce, the purse, whatever you want to call this. You get your membership card, of course, and you get your luggage tags, your USB stick that probably has malware on it. I'm just kidding, but it probably does. And you get the pin. Pretty cool. But yeah, of course, the most important part is your membership card and the actual visa that was popped on your passport. That's the main stuff. All right, Humphrey with Router Guides. Take care, stay safe. If you have any questions, pop them in the channel, in the chat, or not the chat, but the questions down below, and I will, when I get a chance, I'll answer them. Stay safe, take care, bye.